Okay, anyways, today guys, we are gonna do a new video. In this video plan, we are going to Fortnite Land. Let's I'm finally holding a camera. You see this? I'm gonna show my stash. My stash, my secret stash. Basic. Grab this. So let me see if what you're seeing right now. Okay. So basically, I want to pull out a stash, a tablet, be exact. So look at that. Look at that beauty. It's all that. Wanna go rocket ship? You know what I'm thinking? We should get out. I can put my tablet back. And let's go adventuring. Please subscribe for everything you have done. We're so close to 60 subscribers. So just like, I'm just so appreciated. Yeah. That's too zesty. I'm not gonna say that ever again. I am not zesty. Only Nicholas Jackson, aka Michael Jackson, is zesty. So anyways, please subscribe. So you might not hear what I hear, but I can hear my mimic voice because my phone's like right next to me. Let's go. Let's go. Dada. Dad. Daddy's house, aka the moon, because he got arrested. Let's go. Ciao. If I just I'm basically riding a bike with my phone. My new Canon event Canon camera. Let's go explore this map. That's where we came from. Let's go in this place. Totally nothing's in here. Do you faked it all along? Skytrap of Doom? So see what's right here. Look at that. That's where that's came from. So we should just recreate it. Why? No! Conquered the moon! Just kidding, this is fake. Let's just continue. Look at this. Whoa, no, supposed to do that. Subscribe! I always come back. So let's just skip. Let's go explore. But first, we need a teleporter. See? It's one time. Nothing happened. Absolute fail? Question mark? Now that's not the real. I'm gonna bring my most precious backpack. Just wait. My backpack. Ooh, or hover pack, actually. Hi. Backpack. Hover pad. Hover pad. Hi. What's wrong with you? I'll grab you. Well, that does not work. I know what to do with this hover pad. This hover pads suck. Actually, I'm just gonna take this one. Somewhere very special. Let's see. Wanna know where it is? That compactor. It's like the nut compactor, but it doesn't work for nuts. In fact, it works for anything. Like that, like the thing you get bolts. But instead, this one you can give you other items. Crazy, right? Let's just get this hoverboard in there. Just one hoverboard. Oh, let's see what I have in my backpack. Okay, I don't mind those. How about this very small drill? I think it needs something else. How about another drill? Okay, something. Nothing! Absolutely nothing. Stupid. I really need a galaxy flashlight. So, here we go. Only fill it up just a little bit. Open that. Let's go. You be like, "What's up, guys? I'm here, Bigfoot here today. I'm here with a legend, the Sasquatch, my brother, okay, from the snow." So yeah, let's get to it. I'm actually Yeti. So.